YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with another What's in the Box for you guys on a Zodiac part. This is meant for their trade grade versions of the TR35P and the TR36P, their pressure side pool cleaners. So we're actually going to dive in and show you guys what comes in the box. This is a brand new top and bottom, the blue and silver, kind of how they have them. This is the full assembly, so I'm going to show you guys what to expect when you purchase this. So stay tuned. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, today we have a Zodiac top and base for their trade grade pressure side pool cleaners, the TR35P and the TR36P. So this will replace the both the top housing and the lower housing. I believe it comes with some other parts inside. So let's dive into the box and show you guys what to expect. Before I go too far, part number that you're looking for is R as in Roger 0615900. We'll have it all in the links in the description for you guys, so it'll take you guys directly to the website so you guys can check out more about it. But this is the only part, so we're just going to pull out this from the box. They do throw in some bubble in there for you guys to make sure that this stays nice. But as you guys can see, very similar to all their other trade grade cleaners, it's got the notorious Polaris blue as well as their nice silver. So they call this like a diamond blue because it's got a bunch of sparkles in it. So it's actually really cool how it looks when it's in your pool water. Definitely when the pool water is nice and pristine because the cleaner is doing its job. So this is just a brand new top and base. It does already have the water assembly here, which is where your bag will clip on. That's already all included for you guys, so there will be additional parts to purchase, but they do give you the new back clip as well to seal in the actual back plate here for you. So they do give you that, as well as some instructions on how to actually take the blue off to be able to start loading in all of your frame and everything else from your current cleaner. This is only meant for the outside of the cleaner, so if you're having issues with any of the frames of the cleaner, obviously that's an entirely different warranty issue, and you guys need to contact Zodiac for that. Typically, a lot of the frames carry like a 10-year warranty on them, so if there's an issue with the frame itself, they'll send you a new frame. But in terms of every other working part that's in the cleaner, you guys do need to purchase that on your own. So if the frame's good and you guys just want to revamp your cleaner to make it look nice, this, along with some of the other rebuild kits that they provide, will actually get the cleaner back up and running brand new for about anywhere from about half to 3/4 of the cost of a brand new cleaner. So if you guys like to do it yourself and you guys like to just be able to kind of tinker and take things apart, this is a really cool part for you to be able to grab for that cleaner. So then that way you guys can kind of see how it works and the functionality behind it. So just wanted to show you guys what to expect, what to come in. There's no screws, no other additional packaging. They do throw the screws in for the back plate, but that's what's going to go in last after you guys have everything else worked out, because you still need to insert tail sweeps in here, thrust jets, all of the above. So if you guys want to know how to take apart these cleaners, make sure you guys check out the playlist in the description. We do actually have a full playlist on tearing apart the sister cleaners to these all the way from the outside in. Again, these are the trade versions compared to the open line for all of those internet buyers out there. So this is something you do need to purchase from a brick and mortar store, but the parts to replace it, you guys can buy from us. So again, hit those links in the description. We got more information directly on the website for you guys, but I just wanted to show you guys what came in the box. So until then, I really appreciate you guys watching. I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.